Well, this is the latest version of my Twinkling Lights. My original version was 4 555 timers running 20 lights. This is 3 of the 555 timers running 12 lights. But instead of running it from a proto board, which took me hours to assemble, I have designed this PCB with micro JST sockets to attach these LEDs to. All the resistors are on board rather than soldered and tagged onto the LEDs, and it has these 3 10K potentiometers to help vary the patterns, in case you see some blinking lights that seem to blink too frequently, like in a group. Like, gee, all those blue lights seem to come on all at the same time. You can sort of change some of these timings. These are each about 10K ohm apart for these static resistor, and then these are 10K pots, so they just about overlap a little bit if you turn them all the way up, but it does vary the timings by a couple of tenths of a second so that you can help break up that pattern. And so it has its own onboard power supply. This is a DC jack. I've got 9 volts in. It's a 5 volt little power IC giving 5 volts to these timers and oscillators, and running the lights then through 330 ohm resistors on board here. And when my redesign, it accommodates for mounting holes in the corner for standoff, so I had to move some of the components around, and I changed the resistor value for my little power indicator light to 680 ohms to really tone it down because it is obnoxiously bright. Here's the PCB. For this is my first version. Second version board should be arriving soon, but the component set is all the same. They've just been rearranged to accommodate mounting holes in the corners for the standoffs. So here it is, the new Twinkling Lights board that eventually will work into a light panel, plugging these in so that they display behind a diffuser.